What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. Today we're at the zoo. Guys, say hi.
We're at the zoo.
We at the zoo. We're actually gonna go see butterflies right now, so Detroit Zoo, come check it out. Enjoy it, sit back, relax. Yo guys, get hyped because this is a brand new penguin exhibit. It looks state of the art, but we have some late people here, Maddie and Sean, so we have to wait for them to show up, but I'm mad stoked for it. We're going to see the pretty butterflies right now. It's magical, they fly everywhere, they touch you in the face, it's great. Rome, dude, yeah, they're always like free. Whoa, this looks way different.
I remember that thing.
Oh, straight up, we gotta go straight up, that's where they live. Whoa, guys, careful, they got lions in here. Even, thank you so much.
You're right.
Wait, not yet. I'm waiting, dude, waiting. New friends. All right, gotta wait till the doors close. Here we see a brown butterfly just chilling. Dang. Whoa, wait. Dude, that thing's huge. Christian, play cool, play cool. Yo, he wants to be on the vlog. Sir, are you subscribed to the channel? He died doing what he loved though, eating. Tell us about it, Allie.
So this is his biscuit. It's
not your biscuit?
No.
Oh, dang.
It's his biscuit.
Mm.
So it's native to the Hawaiians because
I loved you in Madagascar. You were great. Sir, how are you today? You look great. Imagine he flies at me. All right, update for the vlog. My batteries are about to die, but I do have my batteries with me. I just left them in the car, so I went and got a nice official stamp. All right, camera cut off because the battery died, but we are finally back. So batteries are acquired. I'm getting back inside again, sick, team tatted, and it's gonna be a great time. So let's go meet up with everybody. Okay, now we're in the big leagues. Thomas, you gassed up for the Penguins or what, dude? Yeah. Kowalski, status report.
Kowalski, progress report. We're only 500 feet from the main sewer line.
I loved you all in Madagascar. You did great work there.
Hey, that's what I want to be like right now, right there. See right there?
Which one?
Right here, laying down flat.
That big chungus right there?
Yeah, laying down. That's what I want to do right now.
Oh, dude, you got a whole gang over there in the corner. What you guys doing?
Whoa, what the
Looking
hell?
suspicious.
Status.
It's no good, Skipper. I don't know the codes.
Don't give me excuses. Give me results.
Dude, they're watching Madagascar. Let's keep going. Sir, do you have a moment for an interview? Sir, hello, yes, sir, come back. Hey guys, what are you doing? You guys, do you see him?
no.
No? Hey guys. You said the other night, it's the next day. Yo, shout out to the new penguin exhibit. It doesn't smell, and that's honestly the only improvement they needed to make. Now we're wandering. Let us wander. Who's getting face painted though? Christian's getting her face painted.
She has to tinkle.
Oh, you know what? That's a good idea. Thomas, will you go with me?
Yeah, let's all paint it.
All right, perfect. Let's go. All right, guys. How much would it take for you guys to drink a cup of this water?
$1 million.
$1 million? That's a lot.
Yeah,
I would say
that water's disgusting.
I'd say like $1,000 bucks.
What'd you say, Al?
10 grand.
10 grand?
$1,000 bucks.
1,000?
Yeah, I would go in for the duck.
No, I'm saying drinking the water. How much?
None, I would just go for the duck.
You would go for the duck.
She's like, I just want to drink the water so I can pet the duck. It's fine. It's fine. Sir, how long have you been living at the zoo? Sir? Sir. All right, guys, real quick update. We're by the camels. I'll show the camels in a second. It smells awful over here, but this is the best pretzel I've ever eaten in my life, and that is the sole purpose for this clip. But
Dude. It's so good. It smells like poop though.
it smells like poop over here. Because of the camels, not because of the pretzel. Are you telling them to poo? I don't think they need to.
Oh, moo.
Oh, yeah, that is the sound camels make.
I don't know what sound
You got
camels
salt.
make.
Wait, what? This is made out of Legos. I don't want to pay for it though. I already paid to get in the zoo. Don't be alarmed when you see its butt. That's what the sign said. Monkeys, show me your butt. You want to try to call one?
Huh?
Ooh. Top G overlook. Here we go. What are we overlooking, folks?
Land.
Wow, that is a nice boulder. I I like that boulder. All right, guys, I'm gonna go classic 20.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
All right, we're here looking for Ravi and Ginger. Ravi, Ginger, it's dinner time. Hello? Wow, nobody's home. They invite us to their place.
Let's go on the bridge.
Wait, can we actually? Wait, this is sick. You just got my hopes up so high, dog. If I say I'm doing it for YouTube, like they can't get mad at me, right? Oh wait, that's exit. All right, guys, that's Amelia. Shout out Amelia and Nikolai. We're gonna try to find them. I don't know where they're at. All right, y'all, right there. That's Ginger. Ginger! Welcome to the vlog. Please subscribe. Are you Nikolai or Amelia? All the way back there. Should have brought my zoom lens. Oh well. Guys, look. It's Gary. It's so many Garys. You guys have this crazy cousin in Florida. He lives in an airport. You wouldn't believe it. Huh? All right, guys. So far, we have yet to find a gorilla, but we're coming inside. Probably getting super dark. Do you see it? Guys!
This is the best thing in the world. Look at it. Hookah shaka.
He's so...
Hookah shaka.
Thomas, what are you singing, bro?
Stop this feeling. Singing inside his head.
What's crazy is I felt both of these moods in one day before.
True.
Oh, dude, he's swinging. He's like, guys, I'm just trying to work out. It's no big deal, for real. I do this all the time. You know that. He's like, I'm all good. Oh, you're fine. No worries. Thank you, though. Smile for the camera. The other one's over there yonder by itself. I'd come pet you, but, you know, you'd probably kill me. You look great, though.
Oh, there's the time. Oh, he's tired. Whoa.
It's like, it's just pretty exhausting being...
Oh, look, he's smiling at you.
He's so pretty.
Oh.
Thomas, hurry up. Get a video. Get a video.
Don't fall down the hill.
Whoa.
Just me, big chillin' with the ape friend. It has to have a name. I'm naming you Gloria because you look glorious. Thomas is very content now. Raining vlog, determined to still vlog. Sir, you know the peacock I saw in Florida? Yes, I see you. Do you see me? Oh, he's got a huge tail though.
What?
There's a bear going inside. He's just like, nah, man, I'm done. But then we got these two just mogging right there, man. That's kind of dope. Oh, dude, they're brothers.
Brother bear, Tom.
That's adorable. You guys ever been on YouTube before? You subscribe to my channel? Oh, you're back out, bud. Do you want to be on my YouTube channel? Okay, sounds good. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Dude, they're massive. They're having a great time. I'm having a great time.
All right, let's keep out.
Yeah, we're going to keep walking. Yeah. Oh, yeah, food, yeah. Bro, they got soup. I thought you wanted Dippin' Dot.
They don't got that. They don't got no pretzel.
That you're done singing. Stop it.
You ruined the moment.
Good. All right, we're going to see some polar bears. Oh, guys, first one right here. Sir.
No! Did you not hear it? He was talking to me. No!
Oh my goodness. We're hunting down some polar, well, not hunting down, that sounds aggro. We're just trying to see some polar bears and stuff. It's a very far walk. Not a whole lot of ice either. They're just barrel rolling. Traditional. That's what they do at Outer Banks. All right, so no big deal. We're in the kangaroo hop. Apparently they hate the rain too. Whatever that is. What goofballs.
What's that? Oh, that's
Look, there's a
rock.
vacuum.
That's great decor. It's very popular in Australia. They love to be clean.
Oh, there's one right there.
Where?
Right there.
Thomas, you got good eyes. I can never see them. Yeah, dude, he's like, why you in here? Get off my lawn.
Hey, get away from my step!
Somewhere in here is our two wolves. They're back that way. Here, I'm gonna try to call to a wolf real quick. Ah! You guys see anything? Keep going. Wow, that was actually good. Yo, hey, I got you guys tattooed on my shoulder. We're pretty much related. Say nothing if you agree. Check it out. They're all the way back there. Really thought they'd be... It wouldn't be raining and they'd be more out, so I wouldn't have to zoom, but it sucks I'm not zooming. There's two there, promise. I loved you in Shrek. All right, I'll bring you waffles. Sir, did you pay your entry fee to get in here? Sir, don't run away. Don't run away. That's a crazy anteater, bruh. Look at them boys. Girls, actually, my bad. Girls. Simba's supposed to be in here somewhere. Don't know where. This is my favorite animal, though. Fun fact. Glad you know now. Can you do the lion roar? Hey guys, these guys are massive. Thick boy, dude. Yo, that boy just pooed.
Big.
Did you think that was funny?
I did.
What was it Marvin? Yo, dog, you want to square up? Walk up on me? That's what I thought, dude. What is that? It's raining, it's pouring, the old men are snoring, but we are on our way back to the car. We have to stop at the butterfly exhibit again because somebody here was super late. Maddie, but it's all good. It's been a great day. We got 30 minutes till it closes. Me and Allie are also fiending for some coffee.
Oh yeah. And so now they're on my hit list.
Oh wow,
So
that's aggro. That's actually
I didn't
aggro.
want to have to do that,
But
yeah, I have.
we went to 3 different Dippin' Dot stands and literally 0 for 3, none of them were open. It was wild.
The ladies were at this one, and I was like, hi, and they're like, we're closed.
Wow, didn't even let you ask.
Eye
Cold-hearted.
contact, no, hi, how are you, my name is.
No, you don't get that treatment. You don't get that treatment. All right, we have successfully made it back to the butterfly exhibit because this one here was late. It'll be a great time. All right, we have successfully gotten out of the rain. Good job, everybody. Good team effort. We did it. Believed in us the whole time. And now to find our vehicles. Absolute liability.